Several years ago, trying to use this fret saw for removing the waste on dovetails, it was extremely difficult to hold on to. Small diameter handles, slippery. And I thought, what can I do? I was going to make a bigger handle, and I thought, no, I really don't want to get into that. Well, we play a lot of hockey in Canada, and your top hand, which is your power hand, needs to have good grip on the stick. So that's how we do it. I'm going to show you how that is, but it improves and makes it so much more usable. So what I did with this little fret saw, take a roll of stick tape, starting on the front end, go once around, and you stretch the tape down about, not quite a foot, and give it a spin. And when it spins, it turns into a cord. And then what you do is you wrap the cord around the handle. That's what's going to give it some beef. And then you come back and you cover that cord with another row. Get down to the end and just rip it off. Now you can actually hold on to it. Well, that caught on. I love these Bessie clamps, but again, small diameter, very difficult to get any torque on. Started wrapping up all those. Little hammers. Seems the older you get, the less your grip strength is. Screwdrivers, just about everything we have. Mallets. Now we've taken it a step further. Just recently we found this stretch grip tape. Doesn't work like the stick tape does, but what it does, it puts another replaceable layer on top that really adds a layer of stick to it that makes it even better. Now this one, when it wears out, you just take it off and put another layer on. But you need the original stick tape in order to make that cord so that you can really get something to hold on to. You want to improve the use of all your tools that require some grip strength, try this stuff.
It's good. 2 minutes.